Hi everybody, hope you all doing good. Welcome to this second series of must know commands to work or manage Linux OS. Let's get it started. The first command that we are going to see is a date command, which will display the system date and time. And with its option it will also display the time zone information like it is displaying here. Cut command is very much useful to work with the string and the file content data. So here we are cutting the character from 1 to 4 from the date string, which is giving the day information. PS command. It will list all the current running process in the system with the process ID. And with its option like EF, it will display all the process in a full listing manner. So here I'm using PS-EF, which will display all the current running process in my system. So here you can see all the information like a user information, process ID, what's the process running currently in our system. So now let's forward this data into a file. We are going to use this file for exploring the other commands in the following video. So now I have forwarded it to test1 file. You can see here. Now we have copied all the current running process into this file. So we can double check that. So from the user ID, process ID until the last process that's in the list, we have copied everything into this file now. So now we are going to use this file to play with the other commands in the following video. The next command that we are going to see is the head command, so which will be helpful for working with the files. So when we want to list the top 10 lines or 15 lines from the file, head command is very much useful. Head-n with the number of lines, it will display the top 10 or top 15 lines from the file. So let's check for top 10. So here is the top 10 process from the file. Likewise, the tail command is also used to display the last n line of the file. So here we are displaying the last 5 lines and the last 10 lines. In simple words, head will display the head of the file, which is the top of the file, and tail will display the end of the file. Next, it's grep command. Grep command is used for searching a particular string character in a specific file. For example, let's search for the string q terminal in our file test1. So here we are giving the command and it displays the result in which line the q terminal is appeared. Here we have given the option I for case insensitive search. You know, Linux is very much case sensitive for upper and lower case. To search our string pattern in an in case sensitive way, we have to use the option -i, so that it will display our search pattern even if it is in uppercase or lowercase. If you didn't give -i option, the search pattern will be searched in the text. It will check for the exact search pattern. So if a q terminal with a uppercase q will not be searched here. If it is not available in the test1 file, it will not be displayed here. The exact pattern will be searched. Now let's try to search the pattern in multiple files. So I'm copying the test1 content for creating a new file, test2. So now I search the string in both the files at the same time. So it will obviously search because we have given the exact search term here, so which is already available in our file. So if you wanted to do a case insensitive search, you have to give the option -i there. So even if you didn't give the file name, if you want to search in all the files that's available in our current directory, you can give star there, so which will take all the files by default. So now let's try out another scenario. So here we are trying to search a particular string. Let's take the string light locker. Light locker, the string that we are going to search now. So grep this search string and the file name. It will give the result of the search. So let's consider in this way. We want to check for the line that's starting with the particular string. So start of the line can be mentioned as the caret symbol, so which is the start of the line. So if I try to search starting with light, it will not, because obviously when we search for a particular string, it is displaying a complete line. Here light is not the start of the line, it is something in the end of the line. So let's try it in this way. So we can search for this particular string ending with locker. So for denoting the string that's ending with locker, we have to give dollar symbol there, which will say the end of the line. So here now we got the search result, the same exact line. We will keep exploring more Linux commands in our upcoming video. Hope this video is very much useful. Thanks for watching this video. Catch you soon. Bye.